snippity cricket. This one goes out to all the barbers out there, and those who have great haircuts. Greetings, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Snippity Cricket from Yokai Watch 3. This yokai is responsible for famous haircuts that have been passed down from ages. Snippity Cricket, this guy can give anyone powerful and popular haircuts. Basically, this guy has been responsible for famous designs that have been passed down over the years, like the mohawk, the buzz cut, and even special designs that were passed down from the 50s, 70s, 80s, all the way down to the French Revolution, especially in caveman times. Anyhow, drawing Snippity Cricket is easy. Here's the Snippity Cricket's shears. Alexa, next song. Alright, we got his hair. Oh yeah, first time we saw him, he could customize your hair in many different ways. He can make you dress like him, his hair designs like himself, and even Whisper's hair. And since he's got 4 arms, he's got 4 shears. Alright, here's his scissors, his shears. Alexa, what is a barber?
According to Wikipedia, a barber is a person whose occupation is mainly to cut, dress, groom, style and shave men's and boys' hair or beards. A barber's place of work is known as a barber shop or a barber's. Barber shops are also places of social interaction and public discourse. In some instances, barber shops are also public fora.
Alexa, what are scissors?
According to Wikipedia, scissors are hand-operated shearing tools. A pair of scissors consists of a pair of metal blades pivoted so that the sharpened edges slide against each other when the handles opposite to the pivot are closed. Scissors are used for cutting various thin materials, such as paper, cardboard, metal foil, cloth, rope, and wire.
Now we draw his shoes. There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Snippity Cricket. his designs on hair, that's actually kind of interesting. Sounds like I can test it out myself. I have a barber named April. This one's for you as well. Anyhow, I better sign off. I got more episodes on the way for you guys. Alexa, what is a haircut?
The noun, haircut, can have a couple meanings. 1. An act or instance of cutting the hair. 2. The style in which the hair is cut and worn, especially men's hair.
Alright, everyone. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Alexa, what is a cricket?
As a noun, cricket can have a few meanings. 1. Any of several jumping, orthopterous insects of the family Grillidae, characterized by long antennae.
Alexa, what is a grasshopper?
Grasshoppers are a group of insects belonging to the suborder Coelifera. They are among what is probably the most ancient living group of chewing herbivorous insects.